To connect Robinhood to Phantom Wallet, you will need to follow a series of steps that involve setting up your accounts, generating an API key, and linking the two platforms first. Ensure you have both a Robinhood account and a Phantom Wallet account. If you don't have these accounts, you will need to create them before proceeding. Start by logging into your Robinhood account and navigating to the account settings or profile section. Look for the option to generate an API key, which is typically found under the Security or Advanced Settings section. Once you have generated the API key, copy and save it securely, as you will need it to connect to Phantom Wallet. Next, log into your Phantom Wallet account and navigate to the Settings or Connections section. Look for the option to connect a new exchange or broker, and select Robinhood from the list of available options. You will be prompted to enter your Robinhood API key, which you generated and saved earlier. Enter the API key and confirm the connection. After entering the API key, Phantom Wallet will connect to your Robinhood account and import your transaction history and portfolio data. This may take a few moments to complete, depending on the size of your portfolio and the speed of your internet connection. Once the connection is complete, you will be able to view your Robinhood portfolio data within Phantom Wallet and use the Phantom Wallet interface to track your investments and make trades. It is essential to note that connecting Robinhood to Phantom Wallet using an API key provides read-only access to your account data. This means that Phantom Wallet will be able to view your transaction history and portfolio data, but it will not be able to make trades or execute transactions on your behalf. If you want to enable trading through Phantom Wallet, you will need to grant additional permissions and follow the instructions provided by Phantom Wallet. In conclusion, connecting Robinhood to Phantom Wallet is a straightforward process that involves generating an API key and linking the two platforms by following these steps and taking the necessary precautions to secure your accounts. You can easily connect your Robinhood account to Phantom Wallet and start tracking your investments and making trades with ease.